In this tab, you will find two modules that require the same information. The first one allows you to recover data in order to use your product sheets in the showroom. The second module allows you to connect your payment system to your showrooms. For this, you will need to collect several information on your Shopify account as shown on the tutorial. The store name in the top left corner, the API key and password in the Applications tab, then manage private applications. The storefront OXA token at the bottom of the same page. Then sync your Shopify account to the Retail VR platform to get your products.